Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to another journey through incredible India. Today, we're setting our sights on Bangalore, also known as Bengaluru. This vibrant metropolis in the southern state of Karnataka is often called the Silicon Valley of the East, for its booming tech industry. But Bangalore is more than just technology. It's a fascinating blend of history, culture, delicious food, and a dynamic modern spirit. Join us as we explore the highlights of this captivating city. A city of gardens and history, Bangalore has a rich history that predates its tech boom. We'll start by exploring some of its historical landmarks and green spaces. Lalbagh Botanical Garden. Imagine sprawling gardens with a stunning collection of exotic plants, a beautiful lake, and the iconic glass house. Lalbagh is a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city, perfect for a morning stroll or a peaceful escape. Bangalore Palace. Step back in time at this majestic palace, inspired by Windsor Castle. Picture its grand architecture, intricate wood carvings, and royal history. It offers a glimpse into the city's regal past. Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace. Discover the summer residence of the legendary ruler Tipu Sultan. Imagine its Indo-Islamic architecture and learn about its historical significance. The Tech Hub vibe. Next, we'll delve into Bangalore's modern identity as a global tech hub. Exploring the IT corridor, get a sense of the energy in areas like Electronic City and Whitefield, where major tech companies have their campuses. While we might not go inside, we'll capture the modern architecture and the bustling atmosphere that defines this aspect of Bangalore. Innovation and startups. Bangalore is a hotbed for startups and innovation. We'll touch upon this dynamic culture and its impact on India's technological advancement. A taste of Bangalore, food and culture. No journey is complete without experiencing the local culture and cuisine. Vibrant markets. Immerse yourselves in the colorful chaos of local markets like KR Market or Chickpet, where you can find everything from flowers and spices to textiles and electronics. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. South Indian delights. Bangalore is a foodie paradise, especially for South Indian cuisine. Picture indulging in delicious dosas, idlis, vadas, and the aromatic filter coffee. We'll showcase some must-try local eateries. Pub culture. Bangalore has a thriving pub and brewery scene. We'll explore some of the popular spots where locals and expats unwind after a long day. Modern Bangalore, parks and lifestyle. Beyond history and tech, Bangalore offers a great lifestyle. Cubbon Park, another green lung of the city, Cubbon Park offers a vast space for relaxation, jogging, and enjoying nature. Shopping and entertainment. From upscale malls to bustling street markets, Bangalore has something for every shopper. We'll take a quick look at some of the popular retail and entertainment areas. Beyond the city, day trips. If time permits, we'll briefly touch upon some interesting day trips from Bangalore. Nandi Hills, a popular hill station offering scenic views and historical significance. Mysore, the former seat of the Mysore Maharajas, known for its grand palace. Conclusion, a city of contrasts and opportunities. Bangalore is a city of fascinating contrasts, where ancient history meets cutting-edge technology, and traditional culture blends seamlessly with a modern, cosmopolitan vibe. It's a city of opportunities, growth, and a vibrant spirit that truly embodies the dynamism of modern India. Outro. Have you ever been to Bangalore or are you planning a visit? What aspects of the city intrigue you the most? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more journeys through the incredible landscapes and cultures of India. Thanks for watching.